Only got three. Only got three.
Oh.
Watch your head. Watch your head. Watch your head.
Right there.
Oh,
No! I need some food.
There's one out. There's like two on Paul's car now.
Just for an overview. Daddy, I need some fruit.
It's not going. Failure.
Leave it alone.
That's a kill.
I don't know.
Is there stuff in my hair?
No, there was a bug.
Oh.
There was a bug.
Why did that one blew up?
That was a good one for you, huh?
If we went all four, it would have been nice.
Yeah. It's good because the other one kind of slipped really. Yeah.
How's your bird?
You run so quick!
Here it comes! I don't see anything.
Okay. With those, you gotta be quick, man.
Not as quick as you were. Okay, it's a surprise. It looks like it's gonna out.
Each.
Surprise fountain!
He's scared of it.
Oh, there goes the surprise fountain.
Excuse me, Maria.
Surprise fountain.